Hello, hey, hi guys, how are you? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And it is finally October, my favorite month of the year. Why, you may ask? Because first, it's my birthday, second, it's my birthday, and third, it's Halloween. It's that time of year again, and this year, what will I be? So basically what we will be doing today is a DIY for the headpiece or the crown or the ear thingy on my head for my costume. So it's not a surprise, basically I'm giving away what I will be for this Halloween. So if you wait till the end of this video, I will be showing you guys a sneak peek of what I will be wearing and what will I be for this upcoming Halloween for my birthday. So stay tuned. So basically this is what we will be making today. So this is a gold feathery extra ear cuff. Let me put this on for you. Yep. So it looks like that. So the right side is done. So basically now we will be making the second one for the left side. And I want to show you guys how I make them. So let's start this DIY show. It is super simple to make. So basically what you will be needing for today is a hot glue gun, pair of scissors, 2 small pieces of cardboard box, and feathers with the colors of your choice. My choice, gold. So the first step, what you will be needing is a cardboard box. So basically just measure the rim of your ear and just estimately put it on a cardboard box. I will be drawing it on with a pencil. And after that, it will look something like this. It looks basically like a half of a heart shape. And after that, take your pencil and draw another outline about 1 to 2 cm around the rim. So it will look something like that. And now you can go straight ahead with cutting. So the first step is done. It will look something like this. Super easy. Let's move on to the second step, which is arranging the feathers. Basically, these are the feathers that I got from Shopee. I will put the link down below so you guys can get them. We want to copy from the first design that we did. So basically you put it on the side, and of course you need to arrange your feathers. But first of all, it's really important to know that feathers comes in different length and width and sizes. So what I will be doing right now is basically arranging from the shortest one to the longest one. So basically what we have on our table right now is the first one, the one we already did. Second one is the longer feathers, the ones that are more well endowed. And this one are the shorties, the unfortunate one. But you know what they say, it's not about the size of the boat, it's about the motion of the ocean. Alright, so let's put all the dirty jokes aside and the feathers and get the one that is already done in the middle. So now you can just mirror them. So first of all, let's start with the longer feathers. Alright, so now we are done arranging them. So this looks about right. So after that, this is when the shorties come to play. Are the one that will act as a fillers. It will go in between the feathers and also to cover the stem of the feathers. So right now is the third and final step, which is take the cardboard that you already cut out and just put it on them just to see whether it aligns well or not. And after that, we can go straight to gluing. So this is the end product, and I have changed to my costume as well. And basically I will be wearing a dress, but I will be just showing a sneak peek of it. I have like a huge cape going on and a lot of other things going on with this costume. It's not just this plain dress. It's not plain at all actually. It's custom made by my friend. She's a designer and she gave me this as a birthday present. Thank you, Kila. So this is the designer. Okay.
Hi YouTube! Welcome to Aiman's YouTube channel.
Alright, let's go to the final show, which is wearing this. At first, I wish it looked something like this, but I don't know, I will be looking like a peacock, or basically just a cock, a gold cock. Alright, so this is the end product of today's DIY. It's this gold feathery ear cuff that looks like this. Well, from the front it doesn't look much, but from the side, honey, it serves everything. It's so extra. And yep, that is all from me today. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Love, mommy!